Hi there. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the jobs and the career that you might have or you can possibly have in big data. So everyone would have everyone knows about big data. So I'm going to tell you give you about 12 potential roles that you can play as big data, someone who's certified in big data or has a degree in big data. So let me share my slides and let's dive in straight. So before we talk about the roles that you can possibly play, let's try and understand big data. So according to Gartner, big data is a high volume, high velocity, and a high variety information asset that demands cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing that enables enhanced insight, decision-making, and process automation. So that's ad verbatim. So the Gartner is talking about three key elements, three V's of big data. So what are the three V's? First, volume. So they're talking about data, not just data, but lots and lots of data. So high volume of data, lots of data, low density, but maybe unstructured, not just structured, but even unstructured data. So that's what they mean when they say high volume. They also talk about high velocity. So velocity, what do they mean by velocity? So what they mean is that rate at which you actually capture the data across different points of contact with the customer, transactions, and all of that. And also the rate at which you process that data. So capturing data and processing data is the velocity is really high. And third is that variety. So there could be different kinds of data. There could be data from normal structured formats like name, email address, age, phone number, etc. You can also have unstructured data that you can potentially get from social media, let's say Twitter or YouTube or LinkedIn, or from mobile apps, and all of that. Now that's where the variety comes in. What has also happened in the recent past is that there have been two more V's which have come into being. One of them is the value of data. Now, when you are capturing data of people, of customers, of transactions, they're really valuable. And you must be very conscious of that. So that also leads to how you store and how you maintain the data, how you keep the data private, so the privacy laws. And the second thing is the veracity of the data. So how authentic the data is. So whether the data can really be utilized to make sense from the data. So that's the analysis. That could be done through big data. But the big data, the data needs to be correct, authentic. So that's where veracity comes in. Now let's dive into those 12 different roles that you can potentially play in an organization if you have a certification or a degree in big data. So the first one is that of data scientists. Not everyone has heard about data scientists. So what do? So they essentially they play a dual role. So they are both analytical as well as technical. So they can now analyze data, they can make sense of the data, and they can also write codes. So they are technically proficient. So they have two skills, analytical skills and technical skills, that help them to extract meaningful insights from the data. The second role is that of a data engineer. Now these guys are essentially more of IT guys. So they maintain let's say the servers, the applications, the infrastructure to ensure that the flow of data is uninterrupted. So they are responsible for the data architecture, building the architecture for the flow of the data. The third role that you can play is that of a big data engineer. Now, engineers are these people. They design the solution that the solutions architect would have proposed to the customer. So they essentially work with the solutions architects to help design, develop, maintain, and test and evaluate big data solutions for the clients and within the organization. Fourth, machine learning scientists. Now, these people play with algorithms. So they do research and development on algorithms to build adaptive systems, to build reinforced learning tools, to build future engineering into the model, and build those predictive products, do demand forecasting, and do all sorts of exploration with big data to automatically extract patterns. The fifth, business analytics specialists. Now, these people essentially do the testing of the initiatives of the develop the test script, perform research, and also try and build those business issues against solutions so that you actually find an effective problem-solving a pattern or a solution to a potential business challenge using big data for the organization. The sixth are visualizers. So these are data visualization developers. So they are very, very creative people. So they design and develop those interactive data visualizations for the client and the organization. So they're very creative and very artistic, and they use those graphical modules and patterns to build those UI, I would say, for the end user to play around with data, to take something from here and there, and then see what sense they make use from the data that they're collecting from the big data in the big data resource. So that's the role that they play in the organization, and they're very, very good with technology as well. The seventh role that you can possibly play is that of a business intelligence engineer. So now these engineers, they have this expertise in analysis, in the experience. They have the experience in setting up reporting tools, querying, maintaining data warehouses, and all of that. So they're very hands-on with big data. They maintain the data warehouses, whether it's on-premise or on the cloud, and they design the querying tools, the testing models, and the scripts, and all of that. So that's what these guys do, business intelligence engineers. The eighth role that you can play is that of a business intelligence or a BI solutions architect. Now, these guys actually work with the business intelligence engineers to build those solutions which are time sensitive. So which actually find solutions to potential challenges that the organization could be facing. So they're very good in communication, they're very good in analytical skills, they really love working on data visualization, and they work hand in hand with the, like I said, the business intelligence engineers. The next is that of a business intelligence specialist. Now, these are the people who work on supporting the organization-wide business intelligence framework. So they build the framework, the overarching framework. So they're very critical thinking. They have to really put their mind and soul into what they do. They have an attention they have to be very attentive. They have attention to details, and they're very good in communication. So these are the people who pretty much sit on top and build a framework for BI in the organization. Analytics managers, these are people who are all-rounders, almost all-rounders, I would say. So they're responsible for configuration, design, implementation, support of the data analysis solution or the BI tool. They work with the whole team to analyze huge quantities of information gathered through all sorts of transactions, all sorts of sources, to provide a solution to the organization or to the client. And the last one is that of the machine learning engineering. So when you're building the application, so when you're building a sense of from big data, you are obviously building an application, so a software. So these are people who actually ensure that the software really works. So they have to ensure that that every component of the software runs autonomously with zero or minimal human interference or supervision, and such that the output is always accurate, at least whatever 100% or 99 point whatever percent, and they provide that desired solution or the products that are being worked on, provide those solutions that have been designed for and has been put together by the solutions architect. So that's their role. So these are pretty much the 11 roles that you can play in an organization with a big data certification or a certificate or a university degree. But you can also play a role of a statistician. Now, statisticians in the past, there have been many statisticians who've been working on data, on quantitative analysis of the data, making trends, spotting trends, and making predictions. You can play that role of a statistician in the organization with a big data degree or a certification as well. So those are the 12 roles that you can potentially play if you're looking to embark on getting a certification or a degree on big data from any university. So that's it, guys. That's a wrap. I thought I should share with any of those budding young people who are looking to get into big data. There's a lot of scope in this field, so do get in. Do explore this role of a big data specialist. So as you know, so my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of international experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description below. Please connect with me on LinkedIn. You can also get a free copy of this tutorial if you subscribe to my newsletter. A link to that also will be available in the description below. I work with companies, startups as a consultant. So if you are looking to engaging me as a consultant, please check yes on the third field of the form. I will reach out to you over email and you can have a conference call. And before I go, lastly, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. Please click the bell icon. And I shall see you soon with another tutorial. So that's it, guys. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye-bye.